Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Hello guys, so for today, I'm gonna show you how to fix permanently ban in TikTok Live. So, if your account has been banned, you'll receive a banner notification when you try to log in, informing of you that you are banned. You can also check your violations in the account status section of your inbox through the banner notification. So first, go to your homepage account on your TikTok, and then you can see the three lines on the upper right. Click on that and tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click Report a Problem. After that, you have to click on Live and then select Live is suspended. And then you have to read the statement written here, as this may be a reason why your TikTok account is banned. So click No, and then it says here your feedback was submitted. But if you want to get unbanned by TikTok team quickly, you have to click Need More Help. And here you have to state your feedback. So I'm just copy pasting the sample feedback. It says here, my account got banned for life. Please help me unban my account. I have never violated any community guidelines and terms. So you have to provide your details below, your username and your email address that is associated with your TikTok account. So once you provided all the details of your TikTok account, kindly click submit and wait for 24 hours for the TikTok team to contact you and help you unban your account. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, kindly please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.